Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to my channel. I am Kanya. कल हम किए थे डे 1 योगा चैलेंज. उसमें हम छोटे छोटे जॉइंट्स मूवमेंट और बहुत नॉर्मल आसनस किए थे. आज थोड़ा सा उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग टाइप का आसन करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सिट इन सुखासन. Keep your body straight, palms on your knees, spine erect. Gently close your eyes, shoulder relax. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Bring your complete awareness towards your body. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Now place your right elbow outside of your right knee. Keep your right palm on floor. Keep your left shoulder back. While inhale, slowly raise your left arm up over your head. While exhale, just bend your arms and turn your head, look towards your left palm. Take 2 normal breath in and out. While inhale, slowly come back to the center. While exhale, place your left palm on floor, left elbow beside your left elbow beside your left knee. Inhale slowly, raise your right hand up over your head. Slowly turn your head, look towards your right palm. Take your upper shoulder a little bit back. Hold, keep breathing. Take 2 deep breath in and out. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. While exhale, just relax. Release your legs. You must separate your legs. Stretch your legs, not more, as much as you can. Hold your right knee with the right hand. Right palm will be on your right knee. Bend your right elbow. Take your left shoulder back. Inhale slowly. Raise your arms up. Exhale. Turn your head. Look towards the left palm. Take a normal breath in and out. Feel the stretch on the left side of your waist muscles. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, opposite. Left elbow on the left thigh. Hold your left knee with the left palm. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Stretch your right hand up as much as you can. Turn your head, look towards your right palm. Right palm will face forward. Inhale and exhale. Come back to the center. Just relax. Now, hold your right big toe with the 2 fingers. You may bend your right elbow inside. If it's not possible, then you may hold your right ankle. Then bend your elbow. Once again, inhale and raise your left arm up. Exhale and try to bend down towards your right side. Make sure that your head will be in between your both arms. Look forward. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale, relax. Same to the other side. Hold your left ankle with the left hand. Bend your left elbow. While inhale, raise your right hand up. While exhale, bend over your head. Hold. Look forward. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale, just relax. Slowly joint your legs together. Feet together. Take your toes towards your body. Flex. Keep your spine erect. Body straight. Now, for the first time, you may keep your palms on your thighs. Keep your body straight. Deeply inhale. While exhale, slowly slide your palms forward. Push your chest forward. Bend from the bottom of your spine. If you can, first you can hold your ankle. Otherwise, if you can, if possible, then hold your big toes. Inhale once again. Lengthen your spine. You may take right to left, left to right. Head up. While exhale, slowly bend your elbows sideways and bend down as much as you can. Try to touch your knee. Inhale, slowly head up. Come back. Exhale and relax. You may repeat 2 more rounds. Slowly stand up. Come into standing position. Feet together. Keep hip-wise gap in between your both the feet. Slowly, while inhale, raise your both the arms up over your head. Interlock your fingers, turn your palms up, deeply inhale. While exhale, exactly bend down towards your right side from your waist. Make sure that your head will be in between your both arms, palm facing forward, look forward. Inhale, come back to the center. While exhale, bend to the other side. Don't bend forward and don't go more backward, exactly sideways, look forward. Again, inhale, come back to the center. Exhale and release your arms. You may repeat this 2 more rounds. Let's start next practice. Just separate your legs more than 3 feet apart. Slowly turn your right foot outward. Left foot will be in. Slowly take your left heel little bit backward. Raise your both the arms up to shoulder level, arms straight. Inhale. While exhale, exactly bend down towards your right side. Don't forward, don't backward. Exactly towards your right side, sideways. If you can, you may hold your ankle. Just straighten your left arm up. Turn your head, look towards your left palm. Keep on breathing. Make sure that your body will be in one line. Knee will be straight. 2, 3, 4. Inhale and slowly come back to the center. While exhale, release your hands. Take your right foot in. Turn your left foot out. Toes facing forward. Slowly. While inhale, raise your both the arms up to shoulder level. While exhale, exactly bend down towards your left side. Hold your left ankle. Take your upper shoulder little bit back. Straighten your arms. Turn your head, look towards your right palm. 5, 4. Make sure that your knees are straight. Feel the stretch on the both the legs, side muscles. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, relax. Just joint your legs together. Slowly, just lie down on your back. Arms beside your body, palm facing upward. Slowly, while inhale, take your right leg up to 30 degree, then 60 degree, keep on breathing, then 90 degree, inhale and exhale. Again, while exhale, come into 60 degree, keep breathing, exhale 30 degree and relax your right leg. While inhale, slowly raise your left leg up to 30 degree, keep breathing, inhale and exhale. 60 degree, keep breathing. 90 degree, feel the stretch on your leg. Again, bring your leg up to 60 degree down, 30 degree down and relax. Release your leg. Bend your both the legs from the knees. Keep your feet flat on floor. Bring your heels closer to your buttocks. Feet flat on floor. Keep gap in between your both the feet and both the knees. Palm will be on floor. Palm facing downward. Inhale. Slowly raise your buttocks up, hips up, chest up. Make sure that your chin is touching to your chest. Exhale and down. One more round. Inhale and slowly raise your buttocks up, chest up. Exhale and lower your body down. You may repeat this 2 more rounds. Slowly release your legs. Turn your body towards your right side. With the help of your left palm, slowly sit up. Sit in Sukhasana. Keep your body relaxed, palms on your knees. Eyes closed, shoulder relaxed. Today we will do Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. So get ready, keep your left hand in Chin Mudra. Joint your tip of the index finger and thumb finger together. Place it on your left knee. Raise your right hand up, index finger, middle finger in between your eyebrow center. Close your right nostril with the right thumb. Left nostril will be open. Deeply inhale through your left. Close your left nostril with the ring finger. Exhale through your right. Again inhale through your right. Close your right nostril with the thumb finger. Open your left. Exhale. One more round. Inhale through your left. Close your left with the ring finger. Open your right. Exhale. Inhale through your right nostril. Close your right. Open your left. Exhale through your left nostril. You may repeat this more 5 to 10 rounds. Namaste. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.